So today I have the BlackVue DR900S-2CH, or what it is probably most known for as being the 4K one. I'm going to do a quick unboxing video and show you what you get when you get this package. So first off, the package is, I guess, clear wrap sealed. I've already taken that off just for ease of this video, but it just slides off the top. And then first thing you see is your two cameras. You have the front facing camera and the rear facing camera, so let's take these out real fast. Now these shoot in 4K. You got a nice 3M like sticky pad for your plug it up to your window. It says record GPS, real visible buttons that you can see right there. They'll light up. There's a microphone right here. BlackVue Cloud 4K branding. Pitasoft is the parent company. I'm not going to take off these clear wraps right now. I'll wait till I do the install. Here's the rear facing. Oh, pop the cap off. Here's the rear facing camera. Now these tie together by some cords that I'll show you when I get to it. But they're basically mated together by the cord, and you plug it right here, and then the other one goes there. But let's take a look at some of the other things you get in this package. Get a nice little quick start guide for easy install. There's also, let's just flip through one of the pages. There's a BlackVue app that helps. There you go. It helps you get everything organized. Here we have everything you're going to need to get this thing installed. So here is the cord I mentioned. Basically plugs one into the other, that way they can both record, and you'll have sync video. You hit from front and behind or something. You want to capture somebody flying a cop chase that flies behind you, and you want to capture it coming forward, something crazy like that. But you're basically covered front and rear of your car. So here's some backup sticky tape for when you want to put it on your windshield. This is the little one, the big one. So these little sticky tapes, I know because I previously reviewed the 750, the non-4K, but it was still 1080p. These are good for hiding this cord along the rim of your windshield and along the A-pillars of your car. Basically, just helps. You can see you clamp the cord inside there, and I don't know, you get what, 1, 2, 3, you get about 5, 6, 7 of these things. You can just really hide them inside your the cabin of your car. They give you I think it's a 64 gigabyte, let's open this thing up, 64 gigabyte micro SD, branded BlackVue. And I do know that somewhere on this packaging it does mention, you may void your warranty not using their micro SD, but I mean, 64 gigabytes, you can, I guess, buy your own if you want, but how many times are you going to get a free 64 gigabyte micro SD and not have to purchase your own? For ease of getting the videos, if you capture something cool in your car, you just pop it out, and they provide you with a nice little USB dongle. You'll be able to just view your videos that way. There's also the cloud storage feature, but when I had the 750, I just, old school, pulled out the micro SD, shoved it in the dongle, and just plugged it to my computer. So this, this is a nice BlackVue branded, was it like a little tool, a pry tool. Basically, this will get you to pry spots in your headliner and things like that if you want to hide your the cord that connects the two cameras together. So the last thing you get in the package is the plug that allows you to power the camera, which is very important. That's just simple. Plugs into the main camera, and the little camera gets powered by the extra long cord that you will figure out some interesting way to hide if you're me. So that's pretty much all you get in the package. You know, the main bit is the cameras and the cords. I'm going to be doing a review of this. I think it's probably going to be on rightfootdown.com. Provide some video, some crazy footage. I think last time when I reviewed one of these, I had horses coming out in the middle of my in the middle of the road. Saw a car, a trailer trying to run me off the road. But hopefully I don't have anything too crazy this time. I hope you like this video. And please like, share, and subscribe if you can. Thanks. Bye.